This first clip takes place in Malaysia in 2017. The dashcam footage itself features two guys driving through a windy residential area late at night. Everything seems to be going completely normal, when, as they start to make a turn, what looks like a person wearing all white can be seen sitting cross-legged directly in the middle of the road.
I think I see lights. Oh no, that's just street lights.
Okay, that's a bit scary.
Yeah.
That's a bit scary.
That is very scary.
That's
Alright, my traction control just came on.
yeah, that's no good.
Obviously terrified, the guys would immediately stop and back up their car to take a different route. The video offers no further explanation of what happened next, so it's unclear why whoever or whatever this was sitting directly in the middle of the road. On the day of October 15, 2018, police would be flooded with calls from drivers on the highway. The calls reported a Subaru Forester with foreign plates towing a caravan in the furthest lane, carelessly going full speed down the opposite way of the highway. The driver of the vehicle was able to do this for a full 7 minutes before getting into an accident. And while this was taking place, multiple dash cams were able to capture the horrifying experience, showing drivers as they desperately tried to get out of the way. The eventual accident ended up causing a massive pileup of vehicles that would actually temporarily shut down the highway completely. In this video, this man who is on his way home late at night claims to see a person on the side of the road. But again, it's late at night and on a desolate street with no lights. So, with his camera, the driver starts filming while slowly getting closer.
Oh, my car. In reverse. There was somebody walking in that distance. It looks really, really sketchy. It's like right under that sign over there. Let me try to zoom it in for you guys. See if you guys can see anything. No, I'm gonna have to put the lights over there for the car. I'm trying to get you guys a picture of this. But this thing is scary as I have never seen no one look like this or be like this. See if you guys can see it with the light down there. Oh no, still too far. I'm getting on the road here by it and I don't see nothing still. I'm gonna zoom it out. Where did they go? I don't know where they went. What the f? He's standing like under the sign over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's legit like standing under that sign right there. Just like right there on the side of the road.
That's when the driver claims to see the person. And after turning on his high beams, a man on the side of the road wearing a black shirt and dark jeans is revealed. He also seems to be wearing some sort of mask. The guy's body language is extremely odd, but disturbingly, when the driver gets close enough, the man aggressively jumps at the car, grabbing the handle in an attempt to open the door.
Do you see that right there? Do you see that? Who the f? But they got like some weird mask or something on. What the f is that? What the f? Oh, what the f? Oh, what the f?
Who this guy is, or why he's alone on the side of a desolate road in the middle of the night is unknown. But one can only imagine what he intended to do if he were able to get the car door open. This dashcam footage was taken from a police cruiser during California wildfires back in October of 2017. The clip's only 11 seconds, but shows the cruiser desperately attempting to exit a neighborhood that was overrun by the wildfires.
I dispatched someone from the fire department and started to dispatch. I asked them, he said he is unaware of which way the fire is going. They have so many fires, they can't really keep track at this point, and they also cannot get through the CAL FIRE.
On the sides of the road, through the smoke, trees and even whole houses are seen actively burning. Throughout the duration of the video, fire from the trees above can be seen raining down on the car, making the scene all the more disturbing. This dashcam footage was taken way back in 2012 on a desolate road in Russia. Quickly noticeable is a makeshift roadblock made from a tree branch and multiple bottles intentionally placed in the middle of the road. Right next to it is a driver stopped with their hazard lights on, who is also supposedly stopped by the roadblock. As the two drivers get out of their vehicles to move the obstruction, a car's headlights in the background can be seen getting closer. Along with this, two people on the side of the road seem to appear out of nowhere. Many commenters responding to the video believe this footage captured a failed ambush attempt, and that the roadblock was intentionally set up as a way to force drivers to leave the safety of their vehicles to clear it from the road, which would therefore leave them vulnerable to an ambush. One commenter even predicts that the ambushers themselves were either the people in the car down the road or the people on the side of the road. Whether this is true or not is still unknown, but still making for a disturbing experience nonetheless. Around 7 p.m. on a night in 2018, this driver would come across something pretty disturbing. While driving down the highway, the driver would notice some woman sitting on the back of a car just next to him. The car itself reached speeds of around 50 miles an hour. The whole time, the woman on the back is left with practically nothing to hold on to. Eventually the vehicle would stop, and later on the woman can be seen now off the back of the car and aggressively attempting to open the car's door. But shortly after, the video would abruptly end. What caused the whole situation to transpire in the first place is unknown. This truck driver was driving in the desert and quickly approaching a giant gray cloud that he assumed to be a dust storm. But horrifyingly, as he got closer, it was revealed that rather than a dust storm, he was driving straight into a massive plague of locusts. Almost immediately, thousands of locusts start slamming into the guy's truck, making it increasingly difficult for him to even see in front of himself. The whole thing, no doubt, making for a pretty unsettling scene. This video features a man and his wife on vacation in India. After spending the day at a local city, the couple finally decided to head back to the resort they were staying at on a rented motorbike at around 10 p.m. at night. But after around 10 miles, it was becoming clear to them that they had missed their exit. Figuring it was too late at this point, the couple ultimately decided to keep going straight in the hopes of getting back to a main road. The couple was now miles away from any kind of civilization. And disturbingly, as they kept going, a woman wearing all white standing on the side of the road can be seen slowly coming into view. The couple would of course end up speeding past the woman, who doesn't even seem to react. And again, you gotta remember, it was 10 p.m. at night when this happened, and that section of road is miles away from any kind of civilization. Who this woman was, or why she was on a desolate road in the middle of the night, still remains unknown.